Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how do you curl your hair at home. Yeah, so I'm going to show you in just 2 minutes. All you need is two rubber bands. Okay, so I just took a shower and my hair is still wet. Do is part your hair in two sections. My hair is still wet. It has to be tangle free. If it has tangles, you will not be able to comb your hair once the curl is done. So all you need to do is start braiding them. Okay, braid it a little tight, not much because it is wet, so it's got to break. It becomes a little brittle, so it might break. So just keep braiding, braid it a little tight. It's pretty simple. You do not have to use any heat or make your hair go through all that trouble and all that treatment, the harsh treatment. So this is a pretty simple way and extremely effective. Yeah, once you see the results, you'll know how easy it is and how convenient it is. So I have braided my hair. I just shampooed my hair so it's clean. I put a condition on it, and I've also put some argan oil. Okay, it's the L'Oreal setting argan oil. So here I am, almost done. Braided to the end. And it will give you a beautiful result. One side is done. Next side, I'll do it quickly for you guys. The style is super effective, and gives you amazing curls. You would love them. I'm gonna go back to school today with two braids. Yeah, so we are done. Guys, don't be too harsh. Don't make them really tight because your hair becomes brittle, like I said. So it might kind of break. Yeah, so just be gentle. It's your hair. Okay, so this is what I do. I'm gonna sleep and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's time to open the braids. Yeah, I'm sure they must have dried by now. I'll quickly open them and show you. Look at the result. Do you see them? Beautiful. It is beautiful. It is. Do you see the curls? Do you see the lovely curls? Now you should not comb them. If you comb them, the curls would open, might tend to open and would not give you a very good look. So that is what the look is. Beautiful curls. I love them. You also must try. Just try and let me know how it worked for you. Did you get the same cute, lovely curls? See? Without any heating equipment or compressing or a dryer, anything, without anything. Yeah. So, thumbs up. I love them. Do let me know if you also like them and did it work for you also. And please comment down below. And before I let you go, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that we stay connected and we make a happy family. Thank you very much for watching. You take care. Bye bye.